Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition tailgate damper kit that fits the Ford F-150 from 2015 to 2019. Now this is sometimes called a tailgate assist shock or a liftgate support damper. So pretty much what this is this is a damper that installs between the body of the truck and the tailgate hinge assembly here that's also included. And what this does is this allows the tailgate to smoothly open without slamming open when you unlatch it. So this shock actually dampens that. Now, depending on the kit you get, sometimes these come completely collapsed. And in order to install them, you just need to pull the shock to extend it, just like that. It'll pull out to extend. The installation of this part is pretty straightforward. Usually takes about 15 minutes to complete. If you do have any questions about installing the part or any questions about the part in general, feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help.